All right, beautiful people, how you doing? Welcome to another video. Today I have a special for you. I will be unboxing the TheraGun PRO Plus. All right, this is one of the most hyped TheraGuns out there. In this video, I'm going to break down what's in the box, what can you expect, is it worth your money, your time, your resources. So let's get right into it. Oh, disclaimer, this is not a advertisement video. I bought this with my own money. So yeah, don't come at me. So let's first talk about the TheraGun PRO Plus package. It is shipped just like this. I didn't tear nothing off or whatever besides the box it was in. It's nice and beefy, so I know nothing is broken inside. It's solid. I like the packaging. I like the attention to detail. Let's see what's inside. Right out the gate, y'all saw me unboxed it. There's a bunch of attachments which I will go over and tell you which ones are actually useful. The charger and the battery info, which and the charger cables right here in the box. That's meant for the cooling attachment, but that's sold separately. And this is the manual that I don't think anybody reads it. I don't think anybody reads manuals these days with everything digital. If you don't know how to work it, just ask ChatGPT and you'll get like everything what this manual is saying in like 2 seconds, but it's good to keep it just in case. These right here, this little, I like these cards. They're telling you what each attachment it is used for. Okay, so I'm going to set the manual aside. Let me put this to the side as well. The bag, talking about the gun itself, it has some nice weight to it. Right away, it feels sturdy, not some cheap Amazon knockoff. The handles is nice, and I like that it has a more ergonomic design, so you don't have to tweak your wrist every time you're trying to reach certain spots. Let's fire this thing up, turn it on, and let's see about the cycles. So this thing has multiple settings. I already saw it, so I could show y'all. First thing one is the light, but once you crank it up, as you can see, this is the red light therapy that's on the gun. It comes on automatically when you turn it on. Yeah, you can really feel the design. This is definitely not just another vibration massage gun. This thing actually gets deep into your muscles. The noise level is quiet. This is at a 1750. I'm gonna turn up to the max. Not a whisper, but it's not crazy loud either. If you're watching TV or listening to music, you can hear it, but it's not obnoxious. Right now, I got it at the maximum setting, which is a 2400, and you could just hear it. Now let's talk about the attachments. The standard ball head is good for general use. The flat head, which is right here, is good for large muscles. The cone, the cone right here is target deep tissue, but honestly it's kind of painful. So if you're not used to it, just go with the generic one, which is kind of softer. Soft attachment is probably the best for sensitive areas like the neck. You know, this is kind of like a rubbery thing. I'd say most people will stick with 2 or 3 of these and never touch the others, because you don't need to, unless you're like the elite athlete, then you're probably not watching this video. The battery, they say the battery lasts for a few hours per charge. I haven't drained it yet, but definitely holding up so far. Charges through the USB, which is nice. Right now, the attachment I got on right now is the heat therapy one, which is nice. This one has the heat therapy built in, which is kind of dope. I was skeptical, but it actually warms up fast and it feels solid, loosening up tight spots. It has different modes on here. As you can see, that's the heat attachment. It has a breath work mode on it. Honestly, I don't really need my massage gun telling me when to breathe, but hey, some people may like it. My final thoughts on the TheraGun PRO Plus: if you're serious about recovery, lifting, or endurance training, this massage gun is pretty solid. If you just want a basic massage gun for casual use, you can find a way cheaper option. I like the power, the build, the quality, and the heat therapy is a nice bonus, but you don't really need all the fancy extras. You might not need to spend this much because it is pretty pricey. Let me know if you use this or if you have any other favorite massage guns that you want me to review or whatever. Drop it in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.